Multiple road closures around the state, either due to water already on the roadways or in preparation of flooding in the coming days. One of those roads is in St. Paul along the Mississippi River. That's where Sharon Yu is tonight. Sharon?
Hey, Randy. So we are kind of off of Shepherd Road and Eagle Parkway, where that's like the beginning area of the road closures that are going to be starting on Sunday. The reason why we're not up there and down here is because we wanted to show you this. Take a look at this. This is a trail that is off of Shepherd Road, and that trail is definitely flooded and also closed due to that high water. Shepherd and Warner roads, which run along the river through downtown, will be closed from Eagle Parkway to Highway 61, and Water Street, which is on the southern side of the river in St. Paul, will be closed from the Pool and Yacht Club to the St. Paul Marina. That's actually already been closed to vehicles and pedestrians just this afternoon. This is in preparation for river flooding that Public Works officials say they might start seeing as early as Monday. They're expecting about 15 feet, which puts them in a moderate flood stage.
The current forecast is that probably a crest about 18, little over 18 feet, probably around April 23rd and 24th is what they're saying right now. But obviously that can really change based on if we get any additional rain or precipitation. That can change the numbers and the timing.
Public Works officials tell me that the last time they had to make similar closures like this was back in 2019, and that's when the river crested over 20 feet. And they had to make those closures that year, earlier in the spring, and they ended up reopening end of May. So that kind of puts things into perspective. Back to you.
All right, Sharon, thank you.